సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Now we are going to discuss L section filter or LC filter. In L section filter there are two combinations, inductance, inductor coil and capacitor. Combination of inductor and capacitor is called as LC filter or L section filter. Neither the shunt capacitor filter nor series inductor filter, neither the shunt capacitor nor series inductor filter are economically capable of providing low refills, and almost produce the pure DC. So L section filter is combination of series inductor filter and shunt capacitor filter. The L section filter is combination of series inductor filter or shunt capacitor filter. In shunt capacitor filter, the DC components are blocked lessly, and series inductor capacitor AC components mostly blocked. So in this L section filter produce pure DC. This is the full wave rectifier. This is the full wave rectifier. This is the input is the AC component. AC component is connected to primary of the transformer coil. Secondary coil is the connected to D1 and D2 two diodes, D1 and D2 two diodes, one PN junction and second PN junction. The secondary coil is connected to two diodes. Okay, this is the full wave rectifier. Then AC component is converted into DC component. That DC component combination of so many fluctuations and pulsating DC and so small refills. So that combination, that agitation is done be filtered, then we get the pure DC. So this full wave rectifier is connected to LC filter. So here inductor coil is connected into series, capacitor is connected to parallel. So this is the L section filter. Okay, neither shunt capacitor nor series inductor filter are economically capable of providing low ripples and almost pure DC. The major advantage of this circuit is that inductor impedance minimize the rectifier heavy current. If the rectifier is in the heavy current, so the inductor coil is minimizes that impedance. So L section filter is combination of series inductor filter and shunt capacitor filter. In shunt capacitor filter, decreasing the refills with increase in the load resistance. In series conductor filter, decreasing the refills, that means minimize the refills with the decreasing the load resistance. In shunt capacitor, load resistance is increases. In inductor filter, the load resistance is decreasing. So finally the refills are decreasing, the refills are minimizing. Then finally we get the output pure. This is the filtered output. That means pure DC. Okay, in this type of filter, series conductor L rapidly passes the AC components from rectifier output. Okay, so in this filter, AC components are almostly blocked. In the previous lecture, we observed this thing. In L section filter, AC components are purely almostly blocked. DC components are rectified from the full wave rectifier. Okay, but some part of AC components is bypassed through the coil. Those AC components passed through the shunt capacitor. So first of all, this is the full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier finally result is the false setting DC or refills DC. So that refills DC through the L section filter, some AC components are blocked. But some part of AC components bypassed through the L. That AC components through the shunt capacitance. So the shunt capacitance is the blocked the DC components. At the same time, here blocked the much AC components blocked. Here small DC components are blocked. Finally result is the pure DC. And less refills. In this L section filter, the refill factor is independent of load resistance. Then previous two filters are dependent on loads. This is the independent of load resistance. So this filter is very much used for commercial purpose to get almost pure DC. This filter is very much used for commercial purpose to get almost pure DC, because this is the independent of load resistance. Here refill factor is the under root 2 upon 3/4 omega square LC minus 1. There is no here RL because this refill factor is independent of load resistance. So there is no here RL, there is no load resistance. So this filter is very much used for commercial purpose to get almost pure DC. Then advantages of this L section filter: the choke input LC filter has a high output voltage. This is the high output DC voltage. High output DC voltage. So because this filter is very much used for commercial purpose to get almost pure DC. It has low refill. If it has low refill, then we get the pure DC. It has low refill factor as compared to series inductor filter and shunt capacitor filter. It has very good regulation because it has almost pure DC. So these advantages, by the cause of these advantages, high output voltage DC, it has low refill. It has a low refill factor compared to series inductor filter and shunt capacitor filter. It has very good voltage regulation. So this filter is very much used for commercial purpose to get almost pure DC. Okay. Disadvantages, it can't be used off wave rectifier. It can't be used in off wave rectifier. It has only used in full wave rectifier. Due to inductor, it produces audible noise. due to inductor, the some characteristic of inductor is the some audible noise. So this is the disadvantage. This is the disadvantage of L section filter. And also it has low output DC voltage than pi section filter. Low output, this is the low output filter, compare the 5 section filter. 5 section filter is the next session we will discuss. So it has high output voltage compared to series inductor filter and shunt capacitor filter, but it has low DC compare the pi section filter.